jungle song through the grass so fresh and green, the prettiest place he'd ever seen.
Colorful butterflies fluttered near, filling his heart with joy and cheer. He waved his trunk and said hello, watching them gently come and go. Beside a pond so bright and blue,
The baby elephant
splashed right through. Water sparkled in the sun, making bath time twice the fun. Oh, oh. A friendly monkey swung from a tree. Come and play along with me. Together they laughed the whole day through, sharing adventures old and new.
The baby elephant found a flower and smelled its scent for quite an hour. Red and yellow, pink and white, the garden was a lovely sight.
Soon a rainbow filled the sky as fluffy clouds went drifting by. The elephant danced beneath the glow, moving his trunk to and fro.
Birds sang songs from every tree, creating a happy melody. The baby elephant clapped with delight, enjoying the colorful sight.
As golden sunset painted the land, everything looked bright and grand. The elephant walked slowly home, no longer wishing far to roam.
Stars appeared in skies above, twinkling softly with gentle love. The baby elephant slept so